The tomato fish chef can sell 300 servings a day. Sichuan eggplant fish signature soup. The fish soup is delicious, appetizing, refreshing, and helps cut through the richness. It's perfect for this weather. Come and try one. You are here. This soup is very good. It tastes good. WYDS. Not good. If the recipe is genuine and effective, use my method and it's delicious. If you don't like it, just unfollow me, okay? Amazing! Believe in Lao Long. The tomato fish in the video was one of our best-selling dishes last year. I went there specifically to try it. Chongqing, there's a specialty store that makes tomato fish. They sell at least 300 servings a day. This formula guarantees its value and authenticity. Try it out across the entire internet. The most detailed. Let's take a look at how to make delicious tomato fish. 1 blackfish. This is the fish skeleton with the head. What you cut isn't important. The most important thing is how to marinate it. Let's take a look. 1 serving of these fish fillets is roughly equivalent to 1 pound of fish. The salt has been left out for a day. Press spoon. Don't tell me you don't need to add anything, just grind the pepper. To what extent were they cut? It took half a year of catching this fish to make it sticky. Let's go again. Come on, you can come and see. Ugh, this is so sticky. At that time, you sprinkle a handful of sweet potato starch. Add just a little bit, but not too much, otherwise you'll taste the sweet potato flavor. A little water. Dilute it little by little. In an instant. To the flat surface a paste. Hey, as long as it feels right. All right. At this time, how to make this fish soup is very important. Start practicing first. First, use mung bean sprouts as a base. Tomato fish and bean sprouts are a perfect match. The fresh aroma of bean sprouts complements the tomato perfectly in one bite. Feeling special? Don't be so good, bean. Add salt and cornstarch when blanching the sprouts. Pig, bear, and mouse. Pig teeth. The main problem is that it was cooked incorrectly. It should have been cooked for 8 minutes. Unlike mung beans, we need to cook them a little longer. Slow down a little, okay? 8 minutes were up, so we released it. This ingredient is the most crucial for making fish soup. Look how it is. What? Cooked fresh and delicious. It's white, odorless, and completely free of fishy smell. It's very simple. Let's take a look. The 5-day rule, I must wash myself clean. Next. When frying, be sure to use vegetable oil. The resulting broth should be slightly yellow for best results. Heat the oil in a wok. Add vegetable oil. Yu Hui Huan is at the checkout counter below. Grab him first. I'll help me. Make the fish shell open. Fry until golden brown, then open. It's time to begin. Season. When Hao is making fish soup, remember to say no. Adding any salt to this seasoning is a big deal. Let's see how the fire turns it white. Out. In 1 minute. There are also public ones available now, at this point. Pour out in order. It must be right. Okay. That's when we come. Stir-fried tomatoes. The tomatoes are divided into 2 parts. A total of 7 tomatoes are needed. We diced 4 tomatoes and used them to make tomato juice. There were 3 pieces which made an authentic fish soup. As soon as the tomato fish hit the pan, I went to stir-fry it. Pour out the tomato juice. Boil the medicine until it dissolves. The soup is also very red, isn't that right? You need to add something like tomato sauce. Adding a touch of fish flavor to the original flavor before eating is incredibly delicious and appetizing. The dried eggplant has melted by now. We thickened the fish soup we had just made with the fish. This will melt the 2 outside. The saltiness comes through immediately, and it's quite refreshing. I added tea when I boiled bean sprouts before. Water. Now you know what I mean? Tomatoes are still the best. There's no other way to eat it. If you like spicy food, just put it in here. A little bit of your life. Pepper. Inside, oh good. That's enough. At this time, take the whole fish out. Is it better to keep the fish whole? I'll cook the fish fillets. Let's see how to cook these fish fillets. It's almost time. It's already open, right? Rub it over for me to cook the fish. When slicing the fish, open the slices one at a time. Why? When cooking, it rolls up like a... It looks so nice, like a bowl. After putting all the fish slices in, put it on the stove and cook. Let's look at all of this class together. Without even glancing at it. Add a spoonful of salt to these. Add just a tiny bit of white vinegar. What's wrong? Oh, pepper powder, let me tell you. What should I do? Should I put it in this pot and not cook it with the scallions? Let me see. Hey, I told you not to put it like that. Oh, the host is drinking a beverage. The sweeter the fish slices taste, the more the water boils and the more time is set for 10 seconds. Second, Zhanga Lai Yi. 1. 234,567,890 good. Okay, put it back properly. The final step for the blue whale is to blow one up. The garlic must be fried until fragrant, otherwise the fish will lack its soul. Hello. I just got banned on your account, and now you're still using this. I love BS, the smell of explosions.